What's up, guys? This is Sam Carella with the first video of the year. Today was the first day for the market, and the price action was very, very messed up. We had some bullishness and some bearishness, and it seems like this market still has an hard time to pick a way so we can actually, trade accordingly and make some money. So let's see what happened today. We had 3.7% down for Apple, and of course, Apple is big component of SPY, so we had SPY down as well. The big surprise for me today was Tesla, following really close, and I definitely didn't expect a negative 12% move today. So this was my big surprise. However, we can see that besides the healthcare sector and the oil and gas integrated sector, everything else was kind of mixed up, right? There is some bearishness, not too much. There is some green on this tab. So we had some bullishness as well. As you can see, Nike was up 1.5%, Amazon 2%, Google 1%, Disney 2.4%, and then there was Meta up 3.6%. So a lot of confusing data here. But let's go and let's watch what happened in SPY. I mainly trade SPY, and I trade also a few other stocks such as Tesla, Apple, and Moderna. But for right now, I just want to show you SPY, and I also want to show you a curious thing about Tesla. So let's get into SPY. Okay, guys, this is SPY, and I want to show you a few things in SPY. First of all, my setup to trade. Here is what I'm looking, what I have, the indicators that I have. I have I like the DEMA, double exponential moving average. The white line is my 5-day, the green line is the 20-day, and the red line is the 50-day. Then I have this awesome indicator that I love it, which is the linear regression channel 50, which is this blue channel here. I love it, and I'm gonna explain to you why. I'm gonna make actually a video specifically for it. But here's the thing, and I will explain to you during the video. And then I have the MACD, and then I have the RSI. So in this case, I want to make a quick video, so I'm gonna just go fast here. The RSI has basically done nothing. Has been here around 40 to 60, have done nothing so far. So the RSI is very hard to read at this time. Let me delete my writing, okay? Here's the thing, the MACD is bearish, although it seems that it's flattening. So again, a lot of uncertainty here for SPY. And so we are just left with the chart. What to look in the chart? So the first thing is that from last year at the high of almost 480, we are in a downtrend, and you can see the high here, it made a low here, and then it made a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Actually, let me do it better. Lower low here. This was the bottom last year, 348. And then here it almost made a double top, and then it went down. And it could be another lower high. Who knows? We will find out, right? I mean, I tend to think that this is going to be a lower high, but who knows? Anyway, bottom line here for SPY is that for the last 2 weeks, it really didn't go anywhere. It traded into this chop box, price action between 370 and 387, and that was it. I mean, 388, 389, I believe. But it really didn't go anywhere. So unless you made some day trade, hard to make money in a market that is basically flat. It goes up and down every day. So lots of uncertainty. But there are, the another thing that I consider here, and I'm gonna zoom in, is that the 5 days is below the 20 is below the 50. So it's a bearish setup. I mean, I don't feel comfortable right now to buy calls here, or to buy, stocks, regular shares here. I don't. So what I'm doing here with SPY, um, literally nothing. I'm just waiting for the price action to decide where it wants to go. I mean, if it goes up, then I'll buy calls. If it goes down, then I'll buy puts. I mean, that's it. So, with that being said, I want to show you one thing that is going to be interesting for you, in my opinion, and is I'm still in writing mode here, and is Tesla. Tesla, I want to show you something. Tesla has been hammered down completely. Same bearish setup, 5 days below the 20 and below the 50, MACD bearish, and RSI bearish. It was oversold here, and then we had 3-day bounce last week, and then boom, again, down, bearish. But here's the thing. Here's when it come in place my blue channel. As you can see, I'm going to show you a secret here. As you can see, this blue channel, the bottom line here and the top line acts like a magnet when the price action goes outside the channel. And I'll give you an example. Look at here. Price went down, boom, sucked back in. Even here, price went down, sucked back in. And it works on the opposite way as well. Price went up, sucked back in. Price went up, sucked back in. Same thing here. Price down, sucked back in. Price down, sucked back in. Price up, sucked back in. This was a retest. Got further away and then got sucked back in. Now, doesn't mean that, it stays outside the channel 2 days and then, it goes back in. It can stay, weeks outside the channel. But it gives you an idea of the fact that the price action is probably overextended. So same thing here, it went far away and then boom, down. So the more it stays outside the channel, the more I'm lining to think that the price will at some point snap back up. And now we have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days outside the channel. And I'm going to show you here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days outside the channel, and then on the 11th day was the day that everything turned around. And it doesn't have to be, the price doesn't have to be snapped into the channel, right? But you could just go and retest it. Retest the line, and then come down, retest it again, maybe go up, and then boom, right? I mean, can be that, or the price can go up, retest it, come a little bit down, then snap back in, and then from here maybe we retest the above line. I mean, who knows, right? We have to be open to every possibility. But here's the thing, what I'm looking for here, maybe this is one, maybe a double bottom, something like that. Doesn't have to be necessarily coordinated. Can be like a inverse head and shoulder, and then boom, we go up. So today I have opened a bullish position in Tesla, very small, and I'm really looking forward for tomorrow, what's gonna happen tomorrow, and especially Wednesday. Now, if I've been proved wrong, that tomorrow we go down, and then Wednesday we go down, I'll take a loss, I'll cut my loss, and okay, call it a day. It's the risk of being a trader. But I'm really thinking that here at some point the price is going to go up, and either retest the 50 days that today is a 130, 131, and maybe go up, retest this blue around 140, and then from there I will exit my trade for sure. So one other thing that I want you to consider when you look at Tesla is the volume profile. The volume profile, as you can see, it looks like a belt, like this, okay? So right now we are where the volume is low, right? And it's like being here, right? The volume is low. What's gonna happen? Well, most likely, we want to go in the middle of the belt where the volume is high. Now, do I think that we can go back to 240? I mean, I don't want to say no, but it's hard. I mean, I don't expect that, right? What do I expect? Well, we are now here where the volume is fairly high, one below, so I expect to trade around this level, maybe a gap up at some point and retest this level over here, which is going to be around 140. Is it gonna happen? I mean, who knows, right? I hope, but I guess we'll see. So far, what I want you to take home from tonight is the fact that this market has become extremely difficult to predict and to trade. Therefore, you have to be really careful. Just, don't go all in your positions, trade small, have fun, and, always keep an eye on the chart, and mostly take profit, because in this volatile market you need to take profit. And also remember that at this time cash is king. If you don't trade, it's also good, because the market will present possibilities to take advantage of, in my opinion, soon. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna actually buy a new microphone. I'm waiting to receive it at home, a new microphone, so I can provide you with a better sound. And today was the first video, so a lot of uncertainty even for me, because I've never done this type of video before. But going forward, I'm gonna be better and better. I'm gonna get better and better. And I'm also, one thing that I have in mind is to show you correlations between SPY, Qs, the VIX, the dollar, and the bond market. So there is a lot that needs to come in place, but I want to provide you with more information. So we'll talk tomorrow. Have fun. Have a good night.